Hi, I'm Julia. Want to track exactly where your traffic is coming from, whether it's from a Facebook post, LinkedIn share, or Twitter update? Then it's time to start adding UTM parameters to your social media links. And no, you don't need spreadsheets or external UTM builders. Circleboom handles it all inside one editor. Let me show you how. First, log into Circleboom Publish. Once you're in, connect your accounts. You can also Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Business, Pinterest, and more. But let's stick to Facebook for now. Now click Create New Post. Choose your post type, whether it's a regular feed post, reel, or story. You'll see the post editor open, with your writing area on the left and a live preview on the right. Need help writing your caption? Use Circleboom's AI post generator. It's powered by ChatGPT, and you can set the tone, add emojis, hashtags, and more. This is perfect for crafting engaging and trackable posts in just seconds. Next, it's time to add your visuals if you need. You can upload images or use built-in tools like Canva, Unsplash, Giphy, or even pull from your Google Photos. Now here's where the magic happens. Paste your link, then click the link icon next to it. That opens Circleboom's built-in UTM builder. You'll be able to add source, like Facebook feed, medium, such as social or organic, campaign name, like summer_promo, and even campaign content if you want to A/B test versions. As you fill these in, Circleboom automatically generates your full UTM tagged URL and replaces the original link in your post, perfectly formatted. No more switching between tools or risking broken links. Finally, choose whether to post now or schedule it. Circleboom even recommends the best time based on your audience activity. So you don't just post, you post strategically. That's it. Now your social posts will not only look great, they'll also tell you exactly what's working and where your traffic is coming from. Want to turn your social content into trackable results? Start adding UTM links with Circleboom today.